Begambire Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu orukumanywa nka Bobi Wine hamwe n'ababeire babeire babugaineho abahagizi b'ekibiina ekya National Unity Platform mu Bushenyi izooba lya nyuma abazyo aha kishaayi ekya Kizinda.
Uganda, where there is equality and equal opportunities. Nobasa kuba Omunyankole, nobasa kuba Omuganda, nobasa kuba Omusoga, ninga Omucholi, kandi itwe twona tuli omuntu ki omwe.
Dr. Lina Zedriga uri omuhwezi wa president w'ekibiina ky'ebyobutegetsi ekya National Unity Platform ayanangiriza abanyabushenyi okurwanisa omuze gw'okuguma nibagurwa omu bwire bw'akaruru.
Where you have a voice, women, young people, don't be bored. We are dying in the hospitals giving birth. Our children not even in schools, they are in something called schools, especially in northern Uganda.
Muringo ngo gume Honorable Joel Senyonyi uri omugambizi w'ekibiina eki ashoboreire abanyabushenyi okwesente y'omuhi w'omushoro erukwibwa bwashesha bwira arukushoborera ko omubembezi w'ihanga His Excellency General Kaguta Museveni atataireho buri oburukumara okurwanisa obushomankuzo mu ihanga.
Ekyalema Mwami Museveni abokuba Mwami Museveni abashuma bingi bamwetolire obushuma ni butwala sente zanyu nyingi buri mwaka netuferwa trillioni 10 aro bushuma.
Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu ndiko kushoborera abanyabushenyi emiringo etari emwe n'emwe ey'esente y'omuhi w'omushoro erukwibamu kandi n'oburyo barukubasa kutaho burebeka ngu barwanisa obushomankuzo buri omu ihango bwa hati.
My message to you, especially the young people of Ishaka, of Busenyi, of Bushenyi, of Ankole, of Western Uganda and all of Uganda is you must rise up. Rise up non-violently. Omulembe gwaffe tetukiriza mu kutemula bantu.
Ebyo bikiri aho Benjamin Katana ndawarigireyo yashoborera abanyabushenyi uko bwebembeza oburuho bwa hati butari kufa ha Munya-Uganda.
Hatwo kuba ryo muhinji w'amajani ago ngakufera ki ko kuba ryo muhinji w'omwani ngakufera ki ko kuba ryo muhisa wente nizikufera ki.
Eki Bobi Wine agizire ngo abanya-Uganda nabo beine omubazi gwa buri kizibu kyona ekiri omu ihanga obwa hati.
Abantu bonna bamanye nti yemmwe solution. Amanyi g'abantu ge manyi geggwanga. It is only you who can change this.
Bakuraga gasha kwa Olivia na Sasra aba Sky TV agenshonga mu Bushenyi.